calling Acme Bank. This is Jessica. How can I help you today?
Hey there, I need to apply for a loan. It's important.
Hi there. I can definitely help you with that. To get started, could you tell me what type of loan you're interested in and what you plan to use the loan for? This will help me guide you to the right resources and information.
I need a personal loan. It's for my family. Somebody in the family needs a surgery, and I need that extra money to help them.
I'm so sorry to hear about your family situation, but I'm here to help you explore your options for a personal loan. To give you the best assistance, could you please tell me how much money you're hoping to borrow and what your approximate credit score is? Also, do you have any collateral to offer for the loan?
Hey, we're looking to borrow about $15,000. I know my credit score isn't great, but this loan is very, very important, right? The insurance won't cover the full amount, and we've already delayed it a few times, so we need a loan right away.
I understand the urgency and how important this is for your family. While I can't directly approve or guarantee a loan, I can certainly help you explore the options available at Acme Bank and guide you through the application process. Since your credit score isn't ideal, we might need to explore options like a secured personal loan, which would require some form of collateral. Do you have any assets like a car or property that you might be willing to use as collateral? If not, we can still look at unsecured personal loans, but the interest rate might be a bit higher.
Okay, I have a beat up Toyota. Do you think that will work?
A Toyota could potentially work as collateral. To assess if it meets the requirements, could you please provide the year, model, and approximate mileage of the car? Also, are there any outstanding loans or liens on the vehicle?
It's a 97 Toyota Corolla.
Okay, thanks for that info. Given that it's a 1997 Corolla, it may not provide enough collateral value for a $15,000 loan. But don't worry, we still have options. Let's explore the possibility of an unsecured personal loan. To proceed, I'll need to gather some information from you, such as your annual income and employment history, to assess your ability to repay the loan. Are you ready to provide that information?
Look, I'm in a rush. I'll call you back.
Okay, I understand. Thanks for calling Acme Bank, and I'll be here to help when you call back.
Thanks.
Take care.